side effects. The effects can also be a very meaning to bring about. Only the president can effect such a dramatic change. A lot is two words. Do not write a lot. We have had a lot of great history. Data. Data is the plural word that, which means about or from. New data suggests the category is correct. The singular that is rarely used. The words pigeons also are treated as plural.
Sit down. Pay attention to the word choice. Affect, effect. There. Paano nito? The effects of drugs in your body can affect your what? Your health. Affect usually a verb to influence. Effect is a noun. What is the effect of always absent? Failure. So it will affect your grades. Here. Then a lot is the word. Dia pa rin mo na write one word. Data, plural for datum, like memoranda and memorandum. Here. Media and staff are also treated as plural. No, ano similar sa media? Another is to further. Farther is the distance. Further is what? The degree. Success degree. Furthermore, okay. Farther. City is farther from Chicago. First, second, third, they are what? They are all cardinal numbers. While 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are cardinal numbers. So usually, ginagamit niyo sa adverb. First, second, third. How's the potential to this graph and daily series? First, second series, or second, third. Pero pag hindi series, hindi kama magamit sa first, second, third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of, sort of. Yan. Principal. The principal of the high school department. Do you know him? Kilala niyo siya? He is the principal of the basic education department. What principle is a noun, meaning a basic truth or law. We believe in the principle of equal justice for all. Sana all.
그냥 앞에 못 산하이
Equal justice.
그럼 안 써줘 그러면 되는